Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to stop automatic downloads in the Samsung Internet Browser. If your phone is downloading files without permission, follow these simple steps to fix the issue. First, open the Samsung Internet Browser on your phone. Tap on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, usually located at the bottom right of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy Dashboard. This will give you an overview of your privacy and security settings. Scroll down within the Privacy Dashboard until you find the option called Block Automatic Downloads. Once you find it, enable this option to prevent files from downloading automatically without your consent. And that's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.